Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download and import and export tool libraries into Fusion 360. So let's say you're online and you want to download a tool library. So here's the tool library we're interested in. So right click and I'm going to save link as, okay, to our desktop. So I'm going to save it to the desktop. And in this case, this one's called the mounting plate tool library. So I'm going to hit save. Okay, and it's saved on my desktop. Now I'm going to go into Fusion 360. Okay, I'm going to come on over here to the part, and you make sure you're in manufacturer mode. Okay, and we're going to come over here to our tool library. We're going to click on our local, and we're going to go ahead and import the library. And we save it to our desktop, and here it is right here. So our mounting plate tool library. Go ahead and select open, and there you go. Okay, and notice I already have two of them. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete that library. Okay, so I don't need another one. But now let's say, hey, you have a buddy who wants to do your part or make your part in Fusion 360 and you want to share your tool library. Well, you can also export your tool library. So once again, just like we did before, go to the tool library you're interested in, right click on it and export tool library. And I'm going to send it over here to my thumb drive to hand to my buddy so he can use it and give it a name and just call it, mounting plate tool library. Okay, and hit save. Okay, and when you go to your USB drive, there it is. Eject your thumb drive and go ahead and share it. Okay, that'll do it for this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.